Hello everyone, I'm Kerry-Lou and welcome to Silver Style Studio. I am so excited today because finally, I'm able to resume this series I started a while back called Real Women, Real Makeup. The whole idea is to start doing tutorials using a diverse group of women as my models. As a professional makeup artist for the last 40 years, one of the things I enjoy most about my job is I never know who's going to be in my makeup chair next. I like to do makeup on all different types of faces. Today I'm going to be doing makeup for Patricia. Patricia is 56 years old, she lives in New Jersey, she's a mother of 2, and she has a 2-year-old grandson. Patricia has her own cleaning business and she is a very hard-working lady. That's why I want to pamper her today and show her how special she is. Okay, are you ready to do this, Patricia?
Yes.
Okay, then let's go.
This video is not sponsored, but I would like to give a big shout out to Ilia Beauty, who have kindly sent along all the products I'm using for this video. And Patricia will receive them as a gift today. Shh, don't tell her, it's a surprise. The Ilia True Skin Foundation offers a light to medium coverage. It gives a velvety finish to the skin and you can apply it with fingertips or use a brush. Ilia's medium coverage concealer covers dark circles. I love this formula, I find it doesn't crease and you don't even have to set it with powder. And I also use it on the upper lid to block out skin discoloration. This natural brightening eye primer offers a blend of mineral pigments that illuminate the eye area and keep excess oils at bay. This makes a great base for eyeshadow, and as a bonus, the botanical ingredients will help depuff eyes. For a lovely natural flush, we'll use Ilia Multi-Stick in Sienna Red. This on-the-go formula gives a soft wash of color on your cheeks or lips. The buttery texture melts upon contact with the skin. Apply on the apples of the cheeks and up into the forehead area to add a healthy glow. The Soft Focus Finishing Powder is talc-free and it actually softens and hydrates the skin while taking down the shine. I'm applying with my big soft Kerry-Lou makeup brush number 101. Ilia Nightlight Bronzing Powder in Uptown is a clean, talc-free, finely milled powder that delivers a natural bronzed look. You can use it to give the skin extra warmth or dial it up in intensity for contouring. This is the Necessary Eyeshadow Palette from Ilia. I'm using the warm nude palette. Ilia also have a cool nude version of this. This formula blends really easy and it includes both matte and metallic finishes, which I love. I'm starting with this soft mid-tone and we can sweep it right across the lid. This is going to help all the other colors blend well visually. Now we'll start to pick up the deeper shade. I'm applying that to the outside of her lid. Before using this more intense shade, I'm protecting the skin with a tissue. Now I'm using a smaller brush to apply to the lash line and then into the contour, or where you would like your contour to be for those of us with hooded eyes. This color really adds life to this earthy look. Using my favorite fluffy brush, number 111, I'm dusting over a little of this gold color onto her lids. This adds a little sparkle and opens up Patricia's eyes. Now I'm adding the darkest color of the palette. Some people may want to use this instead of a pencil liner, especially if you're intimidated by pencils or liquid liners. I'm making the contour even deeper with that same color. There are so many ways to use this palette. Be playful and don't feel you have to do it exactly the same way as me. Just have fun and make it your own. And why not use it for under the eye too? This eyeliner brush is number 117 from my signature collection. Next up, Ilia Clean Line Gel Liner. Goes on super smooth and it's really easy to blend for a nice soft look. You can use little strokes. Most people find that easier than drawing one line across the whole lash line. You may have noticed Patricia's perfect brows. They are tattooed on, but I'm just warming up the color with a mix of different colors in this eyeshadow palette. This is a very clean, volumizing mascara. It builds lashes without flaking or smudging. It's great even for the most sensitive eyes. Now I have to mention, you may have noticed I did not curl Patricia's eyelashes. That's because she has had her lashes permed. Yes, permed. I am going to have to try this myself, ladies. I will let you know what I find out. Applying lip color is my favorite part of the whole makeup process. It really brings the whole look alive, doesn't it? Okay, so now we're on the home stretch. Let's get these rollers out and zhuzh up this hair.
Okay, so time for our big reveal. Okay, Patricia, are you ready?
Yes.
You sure you're ready?
Yes.
You absolutely sure you're ready?
Yes.
Okay, here goes. Have a look. You can hold the mirror.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
Does it still look like you?
Yeah. Oh, that's big different.
Maybe you on your best day?
Yes.
That's what I aim for. Not a complete makeover. Still looks like you, but it's like you on your best day.
That's beautiful.
Is it something that you can see doing yourself, Patricia? Like, could you do this look yourself? Could you recreate it, do you think?
Maybe a little practice.
That's fair enough. And I have a surprise for you. Do you want to know what it is?
Yeah.
Okay, just so you can recreate this look when you get home, Ilia has gifted you all the makeup that we used today. So you can take this home and you can practice yourself and you can recreate this look.
Thank you.
Thanks, Ilia.
Thank you.
Wow, that was fun. Didn't Patricia look amazing? Let me know in the comments below if you like this and if you'd like to see more real women, real makeup. That's it from me for now, and I'll see you next time. Bye.